What's up, group? I wanted to make this quick. I hope that everyone is enjoying the day. I wanted to show you this cool little trick that I'm able to do on the box with the new update. This trick or this feature will benefit users of the all-in-one plan more than it'll benefit single plan users, but it'll benefit all. And the trick is basically having customized channels on your home screen. So this is my home screen. If you have the box, you're familiar with the screen. Now, if I go down on the screen, you'll see that I have my Live Server 1 favorite channels set up right here. I have my Live Server 2 favorite channels set up right here. I have my 24/7 channel set up right here, and if you have the all-in-one plan, you can access 24/7s using the new configuration that will allow you to use a portal instead of the VOD app. I have my video on demand titles, my movie titles here, and these are just movies that I haven't watched or I would like to watch again. Now, this will change out frequently because once I watch the movie, I'll remove it from my favorites and I'll go and I'll choose something else to add to my favorites. And I have my television series in there all right here also. And this is the same. Once I finish with a series, I can remove it from my favorites and I can add another one to my favorites. But this just gives me the convenience of being able to go here and kind of quickly access the things that I want to watch. This can also be beneficial to someone who has small children, because if you give your kids the box, you don't really want to have to teach them how to go through everything to locate the channels that they want. So you can create them a little kids group and add their favorite kids channels, and you can put those channels on this main screen. When you give them the remote, they don't have to go into the app and necessarily look around for the channels that they want to watch. You can literally put it here, they can come here, they can view their channels from here. Now let me show you how to do it. And I'm just going to select this so that we can go into Live Server 1. Now, Live Server 1, Channel 4. So all you have to do if you have a box is once you're on full screen on whichever live server you choose, you want to select the OK button. Now that you've selected the OK button, I tell everyone, group is your best friend. So if you select the group button, you'll see all your groups. Now you can go down to whatever particular group that you're looking for. So if I decided that I wanted to add the NFL Network, I could go to the NFL Network and I could press the blue button on the remote. You'll see the star up here in front of the listing. So that has been added to my favorites. Now that that's been added to my favorites, it will show up on the front screen for my Live Server 1. So I can go here, Live Server 1, and I can go down this list and you'll see that I have NFL Network. Now the way that you achieve this is you add channels to your favorites. And once you've added channels to your favorites, you can go to your launcher settings. Now that you're in your launcher settings, go to Customize Channels. And within Customized Channels, you'll see all of the servers that you have access to. And you'll see that they all have titles that can be toggled on or off. Well, you can do your recent channels, and that'll be all the channels that you recently viewed. Or you can turn on your favorites. So I have favorite TV turned on for each one, and then for on demand, I have favorite TV series, favorite VOD, or favorite 24/7s, which just says favorite TV, but it's actually 24/7. You can also do the recent 24/7s and the histories as well. This allows me to access my channels a lot quickly. Now, I mentioned earlier for those that have children, if you have children and you want to actually do something similar, but you want to create a group for your children, the process is simple. You press OK, and again, you press the group button, and you press left. Now, once you press left, or the left direction pad on your remote, actually gives you instructions on how to set up My Groups. So in this My Groups section, you already have your favorites here created for you already, but you can add a group. So if you select add a group, you just name that group. And once that group has been named, you can choose the channels that you want to go in that particular group. Once you choose the channels that you want to go in that particular group, you complete the process. And there'll be a button that says complete. So you complete the process. Once that process is completed, you will again be able to go to your home screen, go down to launcher settings, select launcher settings, go to Customize Channels, and then on your Customized Channels, you will see that group that you created, and you can turn it on. And once you turn it on, it will show up on your home screen. Hopefully this was helpful for anyone who has a box, who wants to have a more user-friendly experience in accessing your favorite channels. So if you don't have a box yet, please consider getting a box, because features like this will make your experience a lot more enjoyable. Stay tuned for more box tips. I hope this is helpful, and I hope this helps you in setting up the box the way that works for you. Enjoy the rest of your day.